Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to change your ParkMobile password. Now if you want to update or change your ParkMobile password but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. Simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to change or update your ParkMobile account password, then make sure that you have installed the app. So if you have not, you need to open App Store or Play Store. So after that, you need to open the ParkMobile app on a device and make sure that you are logged in. So this is the home page of ParkMobile where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now to change the password, you need to click on the option of settings at the very bottom right, and under settings you will see the option of three dots which will be in the upper left corner of the app. So from the menu you need to click on the option of account, and under account settings you need to tap on the option of change password. So under change password you need to enter your current password, and then you need to enter the new password for your account, and you need to confirm by entering the new password again, and you need to tap on the option of save to update your password. And if you have forgot your password, then you need to reset it by going on the login page and tap on the forgot password. So by doing all of it, you may simply change the password on your ParkMobile account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.